I know you don't smoke weed. I know this. But I'm gonna get you high today. Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Smoking weed.
Littering.
Officer, that's not ours.
Candy bars.
Happy 420 everybody, and welcome back to a 1k subscriber giveaway goodie box. The last winner didn't claim his prize, so we'll have a respin, and I've added all the names who were in the draw last time, and a couple more who've entered since then. Good luck to all, and we're off. Congratulations, Peter Chamberlain. Thank you everyone who had entered. Make sure you keep your eyes peeled for a free K giveaway. Stay safe everybody, and peace out.
There you go. Dude, your dog's a stoner.
What were we talking about?
This is grass. You mean marijuana? Yeah. Lord have mercy, is that what that is? Let me see that.
Say, man, you got a joint?
No, not on me, man.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.